Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how can you create a drop-down list and where it is important. For example, if you are working in a company or in a lab or somewhere where you are providing a services and the cost of each services is fixed and you have to create a different quotation for different clients. So to make your life easy, it is better to create a drop-down list. How to create and how it works, let me show you. First, for example, whenever you click on a cell, the arrow button appear on your screen, so you can change the item or the services from here and it will automatically give you the cost belongs to this service. How you can do this? For example, let's begin. You have to create a one sheet, or you can say the services sheet or the cost sheet, where you for the first time you have to enter all your services. For example, you are working in a lab where you providing a services like blood test, eye test, vitamin A, vitamin B, and so on, and these are the fixed costs for each service. And now you want to create a template where you don't need to write, you just need to select. Initially you will see these are the simple cells and you want to create here a drop down list. So how can you do? First of all, select your cells and go in here, data tab, select data validation. In data validation, you click here and go to select list option, and here it will ask you, where is the source of this list. So you click on this arrow, go to your sheet where your list is available and select the services list. Again, press this arrow and click OK. Now you can observe your arrow is appear here and you can select the item as much as you want, and now you want here that the cost appear automatically. How can you do this? It's so simple. You can use the VLOOKUP formula. For example, hit is equals to, write VLOOKUP, select the VLOOKUP function, and it will ask you the VLOOKUP value. The value is here, then hit comma. Table array is the table or the list that you maintain. Select the whole list, comma, it will ask you which column index number you want to show there. So I want to show there the second column, so I will write here 2, and then it will ask you what you want, approximate match or the exact match. So we need exact match, so I will select this one and I will close the bracket and hit enter. So when you drag it down, so it will calculate the values. So whenever I select the service, or let me select all the services, for example, I select almost all the services, and when I drag it down, so yeah, it create problem. Why? Because there is one trick you have to do it. You have to fix the table that you select as an array. For example, I will select here and you can hit directly F4, and if you cannot hit directly F4 like in my keyboard, so I can by manually put here $sign after each alphabet or number. So this will serve the purpose as well. Hit enter and then double click on it. Now your problem is done. So whenever you change the services or the item number, so it will give you the exact cost of this item. For example, the X-ray services, the cost of this service is 200. You can see here the cost of this service is 200. So I hope you like the video. Bye bye.